North Maluku is one of Indonesian provinces which located in the northern part of East Indonesia. The province has been well known for Indonesian trade route since the past centuries. The region was in the trade route for its main source of spices commodities that have been traded to Europe and other places in the world. Ternate, a small town to get to North Maluku province. Ternate is on a volcanic island, the city surrounding the foot of volcanic Mount Gamalama, become the vein of an archipelago rich in spices and marine products. Ternate, known as Land of Sultans, the island's nickname in 15th century, it was the traces of the glory of European nation in the time. Traditional dances and custom of Ternate has its characteristic content value and full of social meaning as well as cultural heritage. Ternate has an icon now as landmark Ternate. It depicted the rainbow that adorned the horizon. The location is the pride of its citizens. Health Polytechnic Ministry of Health Ternate, known in abbreviation as Polkester, is one of the first health higher education institutions.
Hi, I'm Sofia Ranti Tuhulele. You may call me Sofia. I'm 20 years old. I'm a student of Nursing Bachelor at the Health Polytechnic of Ternate. Now, I'm in third level. The Health Polytechnic of Ternate is located in the province of North Molucas, precisely in the city of Ternate. Have a 5 major that is nursing, midwifery, nutrition, sanitation, and medical laboratory technology. Being a nursing student is one of my dreams. I want to become a professional nurse in the future. While studying as nursing student, I become more cares about health for myself and for the society. According to the vision of Nursing Bachelor of Health Polytechnic of Ternate is produce professional and competent nursing staff in disaster management and able to compete nationally. We as students are trained with some skill like basic training and cardiac life support, and it helps us to be more competent. Work as a team is very important for the student. In 2022, I was involved together with my lecturers in community service activity. Title Application of Group Activity Therapy in Patients with Diabetes. Also in June 2022, I was selected to represent my colleague as ambassador in Duta Kosmetik Aman, Maluku Utara. I also include in Nursing Student Association as the head of interest and talent. We coordination the extracurricular activity to increase student interest and talent activity. I also being a civil nursing student for 2022. I like watching film and dancing. My favorite traditional dance is Soya Soya Sisi. It's an honor for me being a student representative in this activity. Geomorphologically, the island of Ternate is an island formed by a volcano that emerged from the seabed. Based on the condition of the area, Ternate City is a disaster-prone area. Because the city of Ternate is located in the interaction of the 3 major plates of the world, and is an area that is beset by the Pacific Ring of Fire. Ternate City Center is located on an island where there is an active volcano, Mount Gamalama. This condition indication that the city of Ternate is at high risk of the threat of volcano eruption. The provision of early education to students is expected to increase knowledge in terms of victim management in real emergency response. One of the efforts made to achieve this requires an appropriate learning method, namely the simulation method. The simulation method that is currently being developed and modified using communicative media in disaster emergency response. Learning is the tabletop disaster media. Tabletop disaster media simulation aims to validate students' ability to communicative when dealing with disaster. The tabletop disaster media simulation method is a simulation method in the media room that use image of disaster event maps on a flat board or tabletop, accompanied by disaster scenario, and is equipped with the implementation of role play for all participants to solve problems related to the management of victims in response disaster emergency in accordance with the scenario that have been made previously. So, the tabletop disaster media application is very effective when applied to disaster emergency condition in providing effective and efficient management of disaster victims. This can increase youth preparedness in dealing with disaster condition. My message to all nursing students, let's study harder and improve ourselves every time, every second, so we can become a good professional nurses. Pulih lebih cepat, bangkit lebih kuat, merdeka!